So I'm out in the yard working today and I had the need to cut some wood. So I went and got my Silky Gomboy. So we're gonna take a look at that. It's a very capable little saw. So the Silky Gomboy comes in this nice plastic little sheath. It does have a belt loop right here, rubber belt loop. And then to remove the saw from it, you can just pull the belt loop up and off the end there and then clip and it opens right up. From that point, you can see the saw right there. There is a little button right here on the top. You push and that releases the saw blade. And there you have the full blade out. It does have a very nice rubberized handle. It's very comfortable. Never got any type of hot spots on it or anything hurting my hand. It also has a little hole back here where you could do a lanyard clip if you wanted to do so. This Silky, it's best for like 3-inch rounds or shorter. And when you're using it, this actually cuts on the backstroke, so you don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. You just let the saw do all the work, just like this. Just kind of let it do the work, just push and it goes through on its own. You don't have to like aggressively cut it off. It does not take a whole lot of muscle to get it through. Just let it, as long as the saw is sharp, you should have no problem. This is roughly probably 1.5 inches round here. There you go. So this is the Gomboy 210 medium teeth. That's the version. And as of today, April 10th, 2020, it's going on Amazon for $33.99.